Ever heard of someone striking it rich with Bitcoin? Maybe you've seen the headlines or heard a friend talking about it. The world of cryptocurrency can be alluring, but with so much out there, it's natural to wonder, is it all legit? Can you really buy Bitcoin and make a fortune? Let's take a step back. If you're considering buying Bitcoin, you'll probably need a platform to do it. That's where cryptocurrency exchanges come in. They act like marketplaces where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, kind of like how you might use a stock exchange to trade stocks. One exchange you might have come across is Gemini. But with so many options out there, a big question mark appears: is Gemini Bitcoin legit? Trust and security, the pillars of crypto. Before diving into Gemini specifically, let's talk about trust and security in the crypto world. These are two of the most important factors to consider when choosing a platform. After all, you're entrusting your hard-earned money with them. Cryptocurrency, by its very nature, exists outside the traditional banking system. This can be a good thing for some, offering decentralization and independence. But it also means there's no central authority to step in if something goes wrong. That's why picking a reputable exchange with a strong security track record is crucial. So, how does Gemini stack up? Alright, back to Gemini. Let's see how they measure up on the trust and security front. Here are a few key points to consider. Regulation: Gemini is one of the few cryptocurrency exchanges that's actually regulated by a government agency. In their case, it's the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS. This means they have to comply with certain regulations, which helps ensure they're operating above board. Security measures: security is a top priority for any reputable exchange, and Gemini boasts a number of features to keep your crypto safe. These include things like multi-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security when logging into your account. They also store a significant portion of user crypto offline, in what they call cold storage, which makes it much harder for hackers to steal. Insurance: Gemini also offers some level of insurance on user deposits, which can provide some peace of mind. It's important to note that this insurance may have limitations, so be sure to do your own research on what's covered. Beyond security, what else does Gemini offer? Security is essential, but it's not the only thing to consider. Here are a few other features Gemini offers. User-friendly platform: if you're a beginner, Gemini's platform is known for being user-friendly and easy to navigate. This is important, especially if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency. Multiple cryptocurrencies: while Bitcoin may be the big name, Gemini offers trading in a number of other cryptocurrencies as well. This allows you to diversify your holdings if you choose. Customer support: having access to helpful customer support is important, especially when dealing with something as complex as cryptocurrency. Gemini offers customer support via phone, email, and even a live chat option. Is Gemini perfect? No platform is perfect, and Gemini is no exception. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Fees: transaction fees can vary depending on the type of trade you're making and the size of the transaction. It's always a good idea to compare fees across different exchanges before you commit. Limited selection: while Gemini offers a number of cryptocurrencies, it doesn't offer quite as wide a selection as some other exchanges. This might not be a deal breaker for everyone, but it's worth considering if you're interested in a more obscure cryptocurrency. The final verdict: is Gemini Bitcoin legit? Based on the factors we've discussed, Gemini appears to be a legitimate and secure platform for buying and selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. They're regulated, have strong security measures in place, and offer a user-friendly platform. However, it's important to do your own research and consider the potential drawbacks, such as fees and a limited selection of cryptocurrencies, before making a decision. Remember, cryptocurrency is a volatile and speculative market. There's always a chance you could lose money. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.